10-minute guided meditation for letting go. Let's start a new meditation in this life and in your day, in your life. Feel new energy in your body every day. You can do this meditation. You can take advantages of your body, make your mind relax and feel good. Can it is the life's force of the earth, and it is also the giver of life. So do it daily with care, and everything be sure to include this meditation in your life. This meditation will teach you to live in the moment without expectations, judgment. I invite you to join me to enter a state of simply beings, releasing the desire or need to control your doings. Just simply be. Allow your body to become still and relax, and bring your attention to your breath. Be aware of the movements your breath as it enter thoughts your nose and sleep thoughts your nose mouth. Relax, enjoy the music. Inhale your deep breath, exhale your deep breath. Inhale your deep breath, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Simply allow and observe your breath. There no need to try to manipulate or change your breathing pattern. Simply be aware for it and just notice what is most comfortable and natural for you. And new observer the depth of your breath. Notice how your chest of stomach. Notice how your chest of stomach expand on the in breath, and notice the feel of the stomach or chest on the out breath. Just remaining in the moment with each breath, simply being with your breath, not trying to do anything or go anywhere. Just give all of your attention to each breathe as they allow, one after another. Simply observe and allow. Music. Enjoy the music. Music. Deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Anytime you notice your mind wander, simply brings your focus back to your breath, to the tip of your nose, and observe your breathings. You may notice yourself becoming aware of sensation in your bodies. Inhale, exhale, As you stay with the present moment, we present moments you may want to observe come of this sensation you are free to experience and notice. This expand the field of your awareness to include sensors of your body as you stay with your breath. Musics, enjoy the musics. Inhale, exhale, flies your bodies, feelings your bodies from head to toe, and just be aware of all of the sensations throughout your bodies. Now you are observing the conscious of your body as a whole, along with your breathings. As you sit here, just simply being, not going anywhere or doing anything, just beings. Just notice the fulness of the in-breath and the deep exhale of the out-breath. Inhale of the out-breath, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale out your deep breath. Inhale, exhale, deep in your breath. Inhale, exhale, deep your out breath. Fulness your minds. In breathe negative energies. And deep exhale of outgoing your negative energy. Out go your breath negative energy. Just staying detached from any thoughts. To self-talk, it is okay, observance, let them pass. There are no needs, interact or follow them. Inhale, exhale your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Simply allowing and being right there in the moment, gently and gradually in your one time. Return to these music for you. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale your breath. Your breath is deep. Your breath is deep. Your breath is deep and out, going your negative thoughts emotionally and stress. Inhale, exhale. Thanks for you.